Hello friends, welcome to Tāntava Rachana. Today I will show you how to do the chain stitch. One of the first stitches I learned as a child and the one that introduced me to embroidery. It's a beautiful and versatile stitch, perfect for adding texture and elegance to your designs. For this tutorial, I'm using Anchor's 6-strand embroidery floss. You can separate the strands based on the thickness you need. Before we start, here is a quick tip. I usually prefer fine embroidery, but for chain stitch, I always use 3 strands of floss because in my experience, it looks more defined and much neater, while using 2 strands doesn't give the same fullness and texture. Now let's get started. First, bring the needle up through the fabric, make a loop and insert the needle back into the same hole. Then bring the needle up a little ahead, pressing it through the loop, gently pull thread to form a neat chain stitch. Now insert the needle back into the previous hole, form a loop and pull through. Repeat this process to continue the chain stitch. You will see a beautiful chain pattern starts to form. How to finish chain stitch? To secure the stitch, make a small anchor stitch by passing the needle over the last loop, pulling it down into the fabric tightly and securing it at the back. And that's it. Your chain stitch is ready. In my upcoming videos, I will show you how to use chain stitch in beautiful embroidery patterns. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.